Have you ever wanted to grow your own food? Imagine digging up fresh potatoes from your backyard. Today, we'll explore how you can do just that. Growing potatoes is a rewarding and simple process. It's perfect for beginner gardeners and seasoned pros. Potatoes are versatile and delicious, making them a great choice. First, choose the right type of potato. There are several varieties, like russet, red, and fingerling. Each has its unique flavor and texture. Consider what you'll use them for. Next, prepare your soil. Potatoes prefer loose, well-drained soil. Start by adding compost to your garden bed. This enriches the soil with nutrients. Aim for a pH level between 5.5 and 6.5 for optimal growth. Now, let's talk about planting. Cut your seed potatoes into pieces. Make sure each piece has at least one eye. Allow them to cure for a couple of days. This prevents rotting when planted. Space your seed pieces about 12 inches apart. Plant them about 4 inches deep. Cover them lightly with soil and water gently. As your potatoes start to grow, it's important to hill them. This means adding more soil around the plant base. Hill your potatoes every few weeks. This helps keep them covered and encourages more tuber growth. Keep an eye on your plants. Water them regularly, especially during dry spells. Potatoes need moisture to grow, but avoid overwatering. Too much can cause rot. Watch out for pests and diseases. Common pests include aphids and beetles. Remove any affected leaves and apply organic treatments if necessary. Once the flowers bloom, your potatoes are on the way. But they aren't ready just yet. Let them grow for another 2 weeks after flowering. When the plants start to yellow and die back, it's harvest time. Gently hand dig around the plants to avoid damaging the tubers. Collect your potatoes and let them dry in a cool, dark place. Freshly dug potatoes are a delight to eat. They are perfect for mashed potatoes, fries, or salads. You'll truly appreciate the flavors of homegrown potatoes. To summarize, choose your potato variety, prepare the soil, plant, care for, and harvest your potatoes. It's a fulfilling experience that anyone can try. So, what are you waiting for? Grab your seed potatoes and get started today. Happy gardening!